Step 3 is to input networks of interdependencies. If you do not have data showing the interdependencies between your indicators, you can simply skip this step and the model will run without them. Otherwise, this is where you can account for the complex structure of synergies and trade-offs between policy dimensions. First, download the third and final spreadsheet template from the app. The first worksheet is where you input your data. You need to enter every indicator that you declared in the first template using its indicator label. Enter these across every column of the first row and every row of the first column. Every entry in your matrix should represent the strength of a dependency between two indicators, and the direction of the dependence goes from row to column. Upload your network spreadsheet to the app and move on to step 4.